What up, folks? How's it going? This is David here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. So today's interview question is: Tell me about Elasticsearch setup, API, and how to use. So we'll discuss about Elasticsearch setup, how do we set it up, how we interact with it using API, and how we generally use it. So if you're looking for short answer in the interview, uh, then you can answer like this. At a high level, Elasticsearch setup involves install Elasticsearch. You can install using binary, like you can use apt get install or uh, yum install based on the LAN operating system, and also you can install it through Docker. Okay, you can install through Docker, and once you install, you will start a node and form a cluster. So it will be a single node cluster. But if you want to add multiple nodes, then you have to do specific configuration for that. You can add Kibana for visualization. It's optional, but you can add Kibana for visualization. And once this Docker or Elasticsearch is running, there will be REST API, HTTP. REST API endpoint will be provided for interaction. Using that endpoint, you'll be able to create indices like databases. Then you will be able to insert documents and search data. And what all you can store? You can store app logs data as a JSON document. All the logs metrics you can store as a JSON document. Then you can visualize and monitor data in Kibana. So these are the main points about Elasticsearch setup and API. So Elasticsearch, how do we set up? We download Elasticsearch binary or use package manager like apt yum view or run Docker. That is the most common for DevOps demo. Like you can install using Docker. Then the start the Elasticsearch. It will run on port number 9200. And if you go to your IP address or localhost colon 9200, you will be able to view the dashboard or UI frontend. By default, you will get only one node cluster. In production, you can configure multiple nodes for scalability and fault tolerance. And optional, you can add install Kibana and connect to Elasticsearch and use the browser dashboard for visualization. You can use Kibana dashboard for visualization. And Elasticsearch provides API, so REST API over HTTP. So you interact with using JSON request. For example, you can check cluster health, get cluster health, create an index, put orders, insert a document. Right? You can insert a log document, search a document. You can search a document. For example, here using customer name, you are searching the order details. And how do we use Elasticsearch in practice? So first, we need to ingest the data. So whatever logs, metrics, application data, log stars and bits, they will be sending it, or we can call API, Elasticsearch API, and it will be creating indices or index, and insert the documents in that, like as a log file. A log file will be JSON document. Then all the data will be stored as a JSON document inside the indices. Then we can search and analyze. Use APIs or Kibana queries to search logs, find errors, generate analytics. And we can visualize using Kibana data. So this is the way we use Elasticsearch in practice. Now let's go to the quiz section. You can pause the video and try to answer. Which of the following, which of the default port Elasticsearch runs on? We know that is 9200. That is the default port. Which of the following is not a common way to install Elasticsearch? Using apt yum view, running by Docker, compiling from scratch, downloading from Elastic's website. C. C is not the common one. Compiling from scratch every time. Cluster and nodes. What happens if you start Elasticsearch without extra configuration? It only runs and creates a single node cluster. Answer is B. It creates a single node cluster. Why do we typically add Kibana to Elasticsearch? We add to visualize and analyze data with dashboard. Kibana provides a nice interface to visualize and analyze data. So that's why we use Kibana. How do you interact with Elasticsearch? We interact with Elasticsearch using REST API or HTTP with JSON. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also follow my page, Devops Challenge Hub, and you can participate in quiz daily. And you can join my WhatsApp communities. You will get the link down below. And here I post DevOps jobs, daily DevOps jobs, and career tips, interview tips. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.